Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB Old Designing Developer. Like you all know that we have covered up many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence, but recently on I have uploaded the tutorial, or you can say I have uploaded the first video of DSA in which I have told you all the data structure algorithm about Python, but that was the introduction which I have given you in that video. So today we are also covering up the DSA video, but today in this video I will be telling you that what is DSA means. I will be giving you the info like what is DSA in Python and how you can use DSA in Python. So just it will be really information video, or you can say it will be really info video for you. So remember to see this video from start because it will be containing many of the important things which you need to learn about DSA. And if you understand and enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well so you can just see all the coming up videos. And remember to share these videos as well so more people can learn about these things and they can also take benefit of these amazing projects with like you are taking. And I'll be uploading more videos like that, so remember to check that out. So just now we'll be starting with our video, but before that you can also check my previous Python AI tutorials which I have uploaded. And using Python AI I've built many of the projects, and I have also just used machine learning, data sciences, Django, Flask, and soon I'll be also uploading the tutorial of that as well, in which I'll be telling you all the things. But from today, you can say from the previous videos, we have started DSA, and then it is our second video of DSA in which I'll be telling you what is DSA in Python. So just I hope you'll be understanding this. Remember to see from start to end if you want to learn about DSA in this video, because in this video I will be not doing any of the practical work, just I'll be explaining you like what is DSA and how you can use it in Python. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, and basically we'll be seeing that what is DSA and how you can use it in Python from start. So just like in the previous video, I've just telling you about DSA and I hope you understand that. So today in this video also I will be telling you about DSA, but in the previous video I've just only giving you the introduction about how to use DSA in Python. So today I will be telling you what is DSA in Python and how you can just use DSA in Python. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how we can use DSA in Python. So I will be giving you two examples. Like first example will be of the Python language in which we are working in DSA, and the second language will be like of Django, which is the framework of Python. So I've given you two same language example, like this is the framework of Python and this is the Python language, you can say programming language. So here I will be moving down and giving you some examples. So what is DSA? So I've telling you in the previous video also, like DSA is data structure algorithm. Its full form is data structure algorithm, and we use it to put our own logic. So data structure algorithm is come with the logic language. So you have to just compare this DSA is equals to logic. So you have to take this, you can say you have to take these both words in your mind. DSA is equals to logic means DSA compares logic with that. So these two words are really important to understand. Like these both are really important. So from this, you will be getting good knowledge. So you have to compare these both words and you have to put these both words in your mind. So after just putting these both words, now we have to start learn how we can just use DSA. So for using DSA, if I just tell you, or if anybody tells you that you have to make this portfolio, or you can say you can make this website using Python. If I just write this, make this website using Python but made it different from others. So here I will be writing this, made it different from others. So I have written now make this website using Python but made it different from others. Why I have written this? I have written is to tell you that if anybody says you same thing, make this website using Python but made it different from other, means he is saying to you that you have to make a website with Python but you have to just use different structures in that. Means you have to use different effects, different colors, different structure, different body and all that things. So you don't have to go to GitHub or copy that codes or do that all stuff, because he is saying that you have to make different. And if you want to make any of the thing different, so you have to write your own codes. Means you have to put your own logic in that. So for putting your own logic, if you don't know about DSA, so you cannot put your own logic in your code. So because of that, DSA puts a main role if you are building your own website, or if you want to just build any of your own project, or if you are not taking help from the Google. So DSA put really, you can say, main role in that. So you have to learn DSA. If anybody tells you to build website, or if anybody tells you to put your logic and debug this error, or put your logic and make this thing, so that will be not really comfortable for you, because you will be just copying the code from GitHub and doing that all stuff. But if you are learning DSA and if you are having good knowledge of DSA, so you will be not doing that all stuff. You can directly putting your logic and you can just run your code, and then you can just think in your mind like what is the shortcut way to run this code or run this website when we are using with Python. So you can think that code or that structure which you are having in your mind, and then you will be running your code. So your code will be running with the shortcut method. So like this, basically this was the thing. Now I've telling you basically that what is DSA and how you can use it if anybody tell you how to build website. So now I will be giving you the example of Python code as well. Like if I just anybody tells you to print this tag, like if anybody tell you to print, this is a print, anybody tell you to print this, so here you will be printing this. But when you will be printing this tag, so it will be not showing this bracket or this colon or this close colon or this close bracket. It will be only showing this is a print. You can say this is print. The user will be only showing this tag, not it will be showing all that stuff like this colon, this open bracket, this close bracket, this close colon, this print tag. It will be only showing this is print because this is our logic which we have put. So basically logic is a thing which you have to put when you are just working with any of the thing. So you have to made it in your mind like DSA is equals to logic, means you have to learn both things when you are working with DSA. So you have to understand the logic of the code which you are running. If you don't know the logic of the code which you are running, so it will be really, you can say, bad for you, because you cannot run your code by your own self. You have to take the help from Google or GitHub to run your code. So because of that, the DSA puts a main role if you want to run your codes, or if you want to just put your own logic. So DSA makes a good role in that. You can see here I've written this print tag, and this print tag in this print tag I've written this is print. Now if I write this input tag, we use input tag in Python as well. In this input tag I will be writing yes, this is an input. And if I write this is an input, so user will be printing this input, but it will be not printing this input because I have not used the print tag. I've used input tag, so it will be only getting the input. Yes, this is the input. Now if I want to print this input, so I will be moving down, and in print I will be not writing this colon here, because if I write this thing, so it will be printing this perfectly, but I want that through input I will be printing this tag. So for so through input you have to if you want to just you can say run this tag, so through input you have to just write here input, and then you have to close it. After writing print and input, when you have closed this tag, so you have to press run button. After running this, you will be getting this yes, this is an input here, but you will be not getting these all things like input, open bracket, open colon, close bracket and close colon. You will be only getting yes, this is an input, because we have defined input in our print tag. So like this you can just use here DSA in Python, and I hope you understand. I've given you the example of tags in Python as well, and in the future coming up videos I will be also telling you about like how you can just build websites using DSA, and I will be giving you the examples in that as well. But in this video I just only want to tell you like what is the main basic DSA which you can just use. So I've just given you the example of Python language, and then I've telling you because we are working with Python in DSA, so I will be giving you the examples of Python to just understand you what is DSA and how you can just work with this. So this was the two examples which I have given. One was print tag. After writing this print tag, when anybody will be writing any of the thing in this colon, so it will be only printing this is a print. It will be not printing this open bracket, open colon, close bracket, close colon, and it will be not printing this open colon and then this open bracket or this open colon. It will be only printing this yes, is this is input. And if you want to print it through any of the print tag, so you will be just writing print tag, and then you will be writing input in that, because in input we have written this thing. So if you have written any other tag in this, so your tags will be not running. Remember to only write the tag which you have defined in the starting. So I was in the starting I've defined input tag, so I have just written input tag here. So from this it will be running my logic here, and it will be giving me the you can say input value which I have written in my input value. So like this you can just work with this project, and I hope you understand that how we can just start these all stuff, and I hope you just understand this video. And in this video I'm just telling you what is DSA in Python, and I hope you understand that. In the previous video I've given you the introduction to DSA in Python, but in this video I'm telling you what is DSA in Python. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos. And remember to check out my all the future videos which I'll be uploading, because that will also bring you help to a user if they want to build projects using these all languages. So just I'll be with you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.